Hey wellness aficionados, once again welcome to your health lab. We're exploring the ever-stylish Victoria Beckham's daily wellness tips today. This beauty and fashion expert puts her health and well-being first, in addition to killing it on the runways. We're here to spill the tea on her health secrets, which she revealed over the weekend. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for additional health and lifestyle information before we get started. Let's examine Victoria Beckham's everyday schedule. Apple cider vinegar ritual. To begin with, Victoria Beckham uses a small amount of apple cider vinegar in the morning. She specifically chooses Bragg's raw, unfiltered, organic apple cider vinegar. This natural medicine, taken a couple of tablespoons on an empty stomach, promotes digestion, increases immunity, and helps manage blood sugar. Be cautious. To preserve your tooth enamel, the majority of specialists advise diluting it with water. Green smoothie power. Green smoothies are the next item on the wellness agenda. These nutrient-dense drinks are Victoria and David Beckham's go-to way to start the day. Their smoothie, which is loaded with spinach, broccoli, celery, cucumber, avocado, apple, lemon, and ginger, is a powerful source of fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory qualities. A tasty and wholesome way to start the day energized. Fitness routine. The Beckhams exercise 5 days a week as part of their fitness regimen. Bobby Rich, their personal trainer, creates a customized program for them that includes cardiovascular exercises, weight training, endurance exercises, and recovery sessions. Victoria believes that exercise is essential for maintaining her physical and mental well-being, and she visits the mat on a daily basis. She has yet another nutrient-dense smoothie after her workout. Daily health shot. But hold on, there's more. Victoria Beckham maintains that she avoids the doctor by taking a daily wellness shot. This isn't your average tequila shot. Instead, it's a concoction of fresh ginger, lemon, turmeric, and black pepper that promotes wellness. This spicy mixture, which has anti-inflammatory qualities, helps protect against infections, keep skin glowing, and facilitate digestion. What a boost to well-being! Here are Victoria Beckham's everyday health tips, which include drinking green smoothies, taking an apple cider vinegar shot, and more. Give us a thumbs up if you thought these recommendations were interesting, and let us know in the comments if you use any of them in your daily routine. Stay tuned for more wellness tips from celebrities, and until we speak again, keep being amazing and healthy.